In the rapidly evolving landscape of technology and business, the role of AI product managers is emerging as a pivotal force in shaping the future of innovation. As artificial intelligence continues to permeate various sectors, from healthcare to finance, the significance of these professionals is becoming increasingly clear. They are not just conduits between technical teams and stakeholders. They are visionaries who bridge the gap between complex algorithms and user-centric solutions. To thrive in this dynamic environment, AI product managers must cultivate a unique blend of skills. A deep understanding of AI technologies is essential, but it is equally important to possess strong business acumen. They must be adept at interpreting data analytics to inform decision-making, while also being able to communicate effectively with non-technical stakeholders. This dual fluency allows them to translate intricate technical concepts into actionable strategies that drive business outcomes. Moreover, they should be skilled in agile methodologies, as the iterative nature of AI development requires flexibility and responsiveness to change. The challenges faced by AI product managers are manifold. One of the most significant hurdles is the ethical implications of AI. As AI systems are increasingly integrated into everyday life, issues surrounding bias, privacy, and accountability come to the forefront. Product managers must navigate these complexities, ensuring that their products not only meet business objectives, but also adhere to ethical standards. This requires a proactive approach to stakeholder engagement, fostering an environment where diverse perspectives are considered in the development process. Another challenge is the rapid pace of technological advancement. The AI landscape is constantly evolving, with new tools and frameworks emerging regularly. AI product managers must stay ahead of the curve, continuously updating their knowledge and adapting their strategies to leverage the latest innovations. This necessitates a commitment to lifelong learning and a willingness to experiment with new approaches. Despite these challenges, AI product managers have the potential to drive significant innovation and collaboration within their organizations. By fostering a culture of experimentation and encouraging cross-functional collaboration, they can unlock new avenues for growth. For instance, in the healthcare sector, AI product managers have successfully led initiatives that integrate machine learning algorithms to predict patient outcomes. By collaborating with data scientists, clinicians, and IT teams, they have developed predictive analytics tools that enhance decision-making and improve patient care. This collaborative approach not only accelerates product development, but also ensures that the end solutions are grounded in real-world applications. A notable example of successful AI product management can be seen in the financial services industry, where AI-driven algorithms are transforming risk assessment and fraud detection. AI product managers in this sector have worked closely with compliance teams, data analysts, and software engineers to develop intelligent systems that analyze transaction patterns in real time. These systems not only mitigate risks, but also enhance customer experience by streamlining processes and reducing false positives. The result is a more secure and efficient banking environment, illustrating the profound impact AI product managers can have on operational efficacy. As the role of AI product managers continues to evolve, their significance in shaping the future of technology and business cannot be overstated. They are the architects of innovation, tasked with harnessing the power of AI to create solutions that address complex challenges. By developing a robust skill set that combines technical knowledge with strategic insight, they can navigate the ethical landscape, drive collaboration, and foster a culture of innovation within their organizations. Looking ahead, the demand for skilled AI product managers is only set to increase. As businesses recognize the transformative potential of AI, they will seek out leaders who can guide them through the many intricacies of this technology. Those who embrace the challenges and opportunities of this role will not only contribute to their organization's success, but will also play a crucial part in shaping the future of industries across the globe. In this way, AI product managers are not just participants in the technological revolution, they are its driving force.